What's over here?
Box.
Yeah, it's a box. Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Invidia N1 catback exhaust system from my 2011 Subaru Forester XT. I've been waiting a little over a week and I'm pretty excited it's here. Let's check out what's in the box. Right off the bat, opening this box, my first impression is that it's packed very well. You know, it's got these foam packing pieces to keep everything in place during the shipping process so nothing gets scratched or dented. Here we got some gaskets and bolts, some hardware, nice shiny decal. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in the box. Here we have the Y pipe, connects the mid pipe and the exhaust tips. Got the Invidia stamp there. Pretty light. Love the welding. Here I have one of the exhaust tips. It takes me a while to open this guy up, so I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process. Look at that beautiful burnt tip. Quality. I'm going to throw that bad boy back on. I'm not going to install this right away, by the way. I'm gonna wait till the weekend and go over to my father-in-law's place. He's got everything you need. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, we got a baffle. Not gonna use that guy. Put that on the side. Last but not least, we got the mid pipe. This connects from behind your cats. Then you got the mid pipe. It connects your Y pipe. And then you got your exhaust tips. Well, that wraps it up. If you want to see the install and how it sounds, be sure to follow and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time.